everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a beautiful boho flower art. Here I am using watercolor for painting. First I took yellow color and paint like this. Then I took blue color and paint in this way. Next I mix green color, white color and blue color and paint like this. Then I mix pink, yellow and white. Now paint in this way. Again I took pink color and white color and make a light pink color. Then do a circle and fill it with this color. Next I took yellow color and paint like this. Now draw some flowers with leaves. Painting is complete. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.